and sweet trash bin cleaner direct. Here with Binfility and Beyond. Titanium trash bin cleaning truck. This turned out awesome. Give a quick walk around. See inside the world's only trash bin cleaning system with wastewater filtration and wastewater recycling. Absolutely amazing. We also have the largest hot water car washer in the industry. Inlet and high pressure reel, vacuum hose reel, dual tanks, roof, winterizing package, antifreeze tank. Going to Wisconsin, and yes, she's gonna, and Sharon and Colton are going to be able to work through the winter doing trash bin cleaning. So you turn off the interior light, the strobe lights, burner switch. All your remote start is right there. Looking to get into the trash bin cleaning business? There's only one company called Trash Bin Cleaner Direct. This 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system allows you to go all day without having to dump your tank, saving you anywhere from $150 to an average of $300 a day in dump fees. It's Good Friday, so basically let our tech get everything inside and close up for the day. Give us a call, Trash Bin Cleaner Direct, 877-699-0755. Go to trashbincleanerdirect.com. Info@trashbincleanerdirect also will be our email.